Hey kids, where are we going today? I can't hear you. Where... Which zoo are we going to?
I don't know.
Oh, Australia Zoo.
So to come to a complete stop before exiting on the right hand side only. That is.
I see it on the stick.
What do you see, buddy?
Hey, Croc. Croc. Wait there. But my legs are not getting spicy because I got
Go push the big soccer balls. You've got a full of water apparently.
Alright, so here we are, inflatable world at Australia Zoo. Let's have a look at the big slide. Oh, there we go. Well, Benji is going to attempt to climb it and take a big slide. Fingers crossed he doesn't get a little scared. Alright.
Can we help you up?
There you go, buddy. Alright.
Alright, climb up.
There you go.
You can do it, buddy.
You got this. Use a step.
Keep going.
Yeah, use it.
Hey.
Alright. Alright, buddy. So here we are at the African meerkat enclosure. And you know the difference between, buddy, the African and the Australian meerkat? Well, the African meerkat doesn't try to sell you insurance. So they don't compare the market. Where? Yeah. Alright. Is that fun? Hey buddy. Oh, pretty windy today at the Australia Zoo. It'll be super interesting to see how the dead cat goes in this wind and with a mask on. Hey, what do you think, Missy? Yeah? Pretty windy. Yeah, windy. Alright, come on, let's go. You want to go see the kangaroos?
Yeah.
Yep, alright. Sounds good. Where are they? Where? Show me. Over there?
Yeah.
Alright. Are we going to have a look for the kangaroos? Where are they? Do you know? Where are the kangaroos? They're over there?
Yeah.
Shall we go and have a look? Alright. Here, give me the juice box. Got to use your inside voice.
Gently. Hang on, Benji, hang on.
Emily's having a go.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. Gentle.
Not too loud, not too loud.
Scare them.
Just be gentle. Hey Emily, be careful. Come over here. Ready?
No, I don't want to be touched. got smacked in the face by it. Swung up his front paw like, oh wait.
That's it, let's go. Hold it open.
He's very
Hello.
smiling, so he likes to smile.
Are you trying to eat the rope?
Yes, he is trying to eat the rope.
Cuddle, stop it. You're not supposed to eat that.
You can't eat rope.
No, you can't eat that either.
He's like,
I'll give it a good try.
yeah, I'll give anything a go.
Hey, hello.
You sure you can't have jelly beans, Cuddles?
Not for jelly beans.
Hey, you can't have little
Hey.
kitty. You're gonna pat?
Yeah, oh look, so soft.
Do you want to have a
He's like,
ride?
I'm just chewing on the rope.
Hey buddy,
Better
you
him
wanna-
chewing on the rope than anything else.
Right?
Look at his long hair. Can you find his long hair? Look at long hair.
Giddy up!
Hello. What's
Over here, look! Quick!
Okay.
Alrighty, so horsey ride didn't go to plan. Oh, or the photo. Hopefully the photo came out okay. Was the horsey a little bit scary? Yeah, alright. Well, the horsey's gone now. And lucky if you...
He's still there.
Yeah, horsey's still there, but that's okay. The horsey's still there. Okay, so now if you have an annual pass, the horsey... Well, it's an emu. You want to go and have a look? It's like a big bird. It's alright, hang on. Okay. So the pony ride didn't go to plan, or the pony photo. It might be like a Christmas photo where Benji's crying and screaming. That's okay. If you have an annual pass for Australia Zoo, pony rides are free. The only thing you have to pay for is the photo, which is $5. We may have got a $5 worth. See, they're just riding on the horse. It's not going fast. See, like a cowboy. See? It's not scary. That's the horse. But the other one that you earned, that was a pony. So ponies are smaller, okay?
Mommy. Look at spines on it.
Does he?
Oh,
no.
no. He's just walking out.
I think he's called a Spinosaurus, buddy. Are you going to walk over to his head?
Oh, be careful, buddy.
Oh. I can do this.
It's big. Alright, I'll hop out.
Let me,
Mama's gonna take a photo.
let me do my own thing.
Mama's gonna trip.
No, I'm trying to get off it.
Do you want me to lift you up? Because he's a bit tall to climb on, isn't he? Ah, there we go, you can hold his head. Wow.
That's pretty cool.
How do I get off?
I'll help you, hang on.
What's he doing?
He's having some birdseed. Wanna have a look?
He's looking at me.
He's looking. Do you wanna have a look? You wanna stand up and have a look?
What's in there?
Birdseed, buddy.
Birdseed?
Yeah, birdseed.
He's moving.
He's making around circle.
He is, yeah. Don't bang on the glass, buddy. You give him a headache. Yeah, that's fine.
Come on, buddy.
Slick.
What's he doing?
There's another turtle on the back of Benji, or tortoise, I should say.
They got different colours of eyes.
They do, yeah. Now, buddy, it's not actually alive anymore. It's just a skeleton. Look at all his bones in the water. See his tail in the water? Yeah. Come up. I think that's a skeleton.
Alright, time for Mama Roo to take hold of the camera.
Oh, hello. We gotta wait for him to clean the ride. So.
Look at the storm.
It does look like a storm, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's the way you drive the boat.
Is it? Is that how you drive the boat? Is it? Okay.
And the slide's here.
How was that? Was that fun? You want to go on the jumping pillow? Off you go then.
Come on. Help your sister. There we go. Big jump. You got the big jump? Show us your big jump, buddy.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, buddy.
He's in this cave.
In his cave.
Yeah, he's in this cave.
Tucked up. I think he might be sleeping.
Yeah.
The tortoise.
Tortoise?
Yeah, they get tucked up. That's how they do the sleep. Don't put it near him and he'll eat it. He'll wake up and he'll
Say bye-bye, Zoo.
bye-bye.
Did you have fun today, guys? Nope.
Yeah,
You did? Do you like the zoo? What was your favourite animal?
the crocodiles.
Crocodiles. Why are they your favourite?
They're my favorite.
Okay. And what do crocodiles do?
Nap.
What about you, Emily? Did you enjoy the zoo? What's your favourite animal? Emily says crocodiles too. Or do you like the giraffes? And the turtles? Who likes ponies?
Me.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Who likes horses?
Me.
Oh yeah.
I don't like horses.
Why not? What's wrong with horses?
I don't like ponies and horses.
Why is that?
I'm gonna torch.
Yeah?
Why don't you like ponies and horses, buddy? Is it just because they're so big?
Yeah.
Are they scary?
Yeah.
Oh. Once you get to know them, they're not scary. And you can ride them really fast.